Yeah. Listen close. The world owes you nothing. If you want the crown, bleed for the throne. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Came from the bottom with fire in my chest. Cold dark nights, heavy weight, no rest. Dreams don't move, at the feet stay still. Pain builds muscle, pressure builds will. They want gold, but they fear the mind. Want the crown, but they dodge the grind. Talk big talk, but they never bleed. Real kings rise through the scars they need. Storms hit hard, but I stay upright. Lost fake friends in the darkest night. When the road got cold, they disappeared. Real ones stay, never moved in fear. Every scar got a story told. Every loss to my heart to go. Every step through the flame I paid. Built my throne from the debts I made. Nothing is free, gotta pay that price. Dreams get built in the cold dark nights. Walk through fire if you want that throne. Kings get forged when they stand alone. Nothing is free, that's the law of the game. Pain and pressure build a name. Fall 10 times, rise again strong. Only the fighters survive this storm. Yeah. Trust is rare and the world is cold. Smiles turn fake when the money unfolds. Seen close friends turn wolves overnight. Power shows truth in the heat of the fight. Discipline sharp like a blade in hand. Every sunrise another stand. Weak ones fold when the pressure rise. Real ones grind till the sun gon' rise. Late night grind with the lights down low. Silent battles, nobody know. No loud cheers when the war gets deep. Just the code and the vows I keep. Every tear that nobody saw. Every punch that I took in the jaw. Turn that pain to the fuel I need. That's the price every king must bleed. Nothing is free, gotta pay that price. Dreams get built in the cold dark nights. Walk through fire if you want that throne. Kings get forged when they stand alone. Nothing is free, that's the law of the game. Pain and pressure build a name. Fall 10 times, rise again strong. Only the fighters survive this storm. Yeah, gotta roll on, but the mind stay sharp. Turn those wounds to a piece of art. Let's fake smiles, let's fake applause. Only real ones respect the scars. Walk alone, but the heart stay still. Lonely roads make the vision real. Every step like a hammer strike. Building power with the every fight. Friends fall off when the ground stay long, but the warrior mind stay strong. No bright lights when the nights get real. Just iron lungs and an iron will. Time reveals what the soul can be. Pressure builds true legacy. Try to break me, I rise again. It's the code of a hardened man. Nothing is free, gotta pay that price. Dreams get built in the cold dark nights. Walk through fire if you want that throne. Kings get forged when they stand alone. Nothing is free, that's the law of the game. Pain and pressure builds a name. Fall 10 times, rise again strong. Only the fighters survive this storm. For the ones fighting when nobody sees. For the ones carrying pain in a world that stays silent. When friends disappear, when the room gets empty, when even the shadows leave, remember this: warriors are not made in comfort, they are made in storms. Every lonely night, every unseen battle, every step in the dark is building something inside you. So keep moving, even tired, even wounded, even alone, because the crown you seek belongs only to those who refuse to quit. Nothing